There's a few things, about 3 things to my account that I need. One of them is something to look up to, another is something to look forward to, and another is someone to chase. First off, I want to thank God, because that's who I look up to. To my family, that's who and what I look forward to. To my father, who I know is up there right now. To my mother, who's here tonight. To my wife, Camilla, and my kids. You are the 4 people in my life that I want to make the most proud of me. And to my hero, that's who I chase. It's me in 10 years. So you see, every day, every week, every month, and every year of my life, my hero's always 10 years away. I'm never going to be my hero, and that's just fine with me because that keeps me with somebody to keep on chasing. So to any of us, whatever it is we look up to, whatever it is we look forward to, and whoever it is we're chasing, to that I say amen. To that I say, all right, all right, all right.
Seriously, this is a MAC Shot of Color Lip Oil. Have you ever, look at the packaging, isn't it awesome with the lips on the bottom? Have you ever seen an oil so pigmented? Look at this. It's so soft. It feels like a super creamy lipstick, but it's an oil. It's a lip oil by MAC Cosmetics in the color So Full On. 891 So Full On. So freaking pretty. So as much as I love this MAC lip oil, you do have to wear a lip liner with it because I'm going to show you that it started bleeding. You can see right here how it goes into your very, very fine lines and wrinkles. Beautiful color, very moisturizing, but definitely have to wear a lip liner with it.